first time I became aware of earthquakes was when I was 7 and I actually experienced my first earthquake. I was getting ready for school in the morning with my sister and we were playing on the floor when the ground began to shake.
The first and worst jolt struck at 7:42. At that moment, an Australian TV network was taping a program here.
I don't think anything's going to fall on me. I'm watching the lights. Are we still there?
Buildings crumbled, windows shattered, walls collapsed. Damage was immediate and widespread. The worst of it seemed to be in and around Whittier, 15 miles from downtown Los Angeles, and near the apparent center of the quake.
We ran to my mom and I said, "Mom, what's going on?" And she said, "Well, this is an earthquake." And I was just amazed that there was a process that could cause so much shaking. And after that, when we surveyed what kind of damage was caused, we found that our pool had been cracked in half and it had displaced our sidewalk in our backyard. And I was fascinated by the destruction and by the fact that there was a process that could actually cause that much damage and cause the ground to shake. And I have spent the rest of my life trying to understand why earthquakes occur. I like being a geologist because it gives me the opportunity to travel the world. It gives me the opportunity to see lots of different types of rocks and meet lots of different people who are doing similar types of research. I get to play outside in the dirt a lot, which I enjoy. I get to climb on volcanoes, play with lava. I love the outdoors, and being a geologist gives me the opportunity to work outside quite often. We go on deployments. Sometimes we deploy on land and have to dig big holes in the dirt. And other times we deploy at sea. So we spend weeks at a time out in the ocean throwing big seismometers off the end of the boat. There are actually now 2 seismometers named after me in the bottom of the Pacific right now. The chief scientist thought it would be fun to throw me overboard. It's so fulfilling to be able to have all these experiences and see different parts of the world.